I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the lock type and gathering essential tools: screwdriver, hex key, pliers, and a penetrating lubricant. Remove the interior handle screws now and pull the handle off. Once done, unscrew the trim plate and set fasteners in a labeled bag so parts stay organized. Turn the key slightly to align the cam or tailpiece with the housing. This alignment is critical because it frees the barrel to slide out. Make sure to note the rotation orientation with a small tape marker to speed reassembly. Now focus on the core extraction. Locate and loosen the retaining screw on the faceplate or cylinder housing and back it out fully. While the key holds the cam aligned, push the barrel straight out from the exterior side. Once it moves, pull it through evenly to avoid damaging the door or strike. If it resists, apply penetrating lubricant around the seam, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and then use pliers with gentle rocking motions. Make sure to keep the cam steady so the cylinder clears the housing smoothly. Finish by inspecting the removed barrel, cam, and housing for wear or broken pins. Replace any damaged components before reinstalling. Reassemble in reverse order using the labeled bag and match the orientation tape you placed earlier. Tighten the retaining screw and test the lock several cycles to confirm smooth operation. If the barrel still won't budge or the retaining screw is sheared, stop and consider removing the entire lock body or calling a locksmith to prevent door damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.